Welcome back to it. It's Maths Masterclass with Leo, and today we are doing a continuation of what we did in lesson 2. So this is just a continuation video. Yesterday we did, or on lesson 2, what we did, we introduced this part and this things that you need to know, or equations that you need to know, right? So in this case, we're just gonna tackle questions on them. Right, I've prepared questions on them, and then we're just gonna tackle questions. Right, so we are having a question that says we need to integrate this. Say this is a. We need to integrate 4 cos of 3x, right? Dx. We need to integrate that. So now we need to check. Oh, if I need to integrate cos, this is the method that I should follow. This is the method that I should follow when I'm integrating. So it means when I integrate the cos, I'm gonna get sine. But because I have a here, so it's gonna be 1 over a, the sine of ax. So in this case, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna say, oh, if I have this, means that this is my a, right? That represents my a. Then I'm gonna have 4 as a constant into 1 over 3, right? Which is going to be sine of 3x, right? And then what am I going to have as a final answer? I'm going to have 4 over 3 sine of x. This is the procedure that I should follow. So when I see cos, I immediately know when integrating cos, this is the type of formula that I should get. Then it means not forgetting plus c. Right? Always don't forget to add your plus c. So next question that we have, it is b, which is the integral of 5 sine of 2 theta d theta. They need me to integrate that, right? So in this case, when I have sine, it means I can use this rule. This is the rule that I can apply, right? So in this case, I'm just going to say, oh, 5 is my constant into, I'll have 1 over 2. But my 1 over 2 is going to be negative because when dealing with sines, when dealing with the integral of sine, I'll have a negative cos. So negative into cos of 2 theta plus c, right? Then I'm going to have, this will give me minus 5 over 2 cos of 2 theta plus c, right? I don't want to erase this part because we're going to use it when applying all the formulas, when applying or answering all these questions, right? So we're just going to wrap the questions that I did now, and then we continue. Okay, now let's continue. I'm going to have, I did A, B, I'm going to have C, which is the integral of 7 sec squared 40 dt, right? 40 dt. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to look for the one that has a sec. Oh, when integrating sec, I'm going to have tan, right? When integrating sec, I'm going to have tan ax. So in this case, I'm just going to have 7 into 1 over 4 tan of 4t plus c, right? Then this will give me 7 over 4 tan of 4t plus c, right? So in this case, that is my solution. D, I'm going to have 3 integral of cosec squared 2 theta there. That is what I have. Okay, now what am I going to have? I'm just going to have 3, but I need the one that has sec. I need the one that is sec or cosec, which is this one, right? The one that is cosec, it's this one. So what am I going to do? I forgot to say dt here. I mean d theta. So what am I going to have? I'm going to have 3 into negative 1 over 2 cot of theta plus c. Right? This will give me negative 3 over 2 cot of 2 theta plus c. Right? Let me just erase there to write the next question. Okay, now let's take the next question, which is E. Is the integral of 5e to the power 3x dx. Right? So in this case, they need us to integrate this. How can I integrate that? But when looking at this, I know this is that. Right? This is that, which is e to the power ax dx is equals to 1 over a e to the power ax plus c. When I integrate this, this is what I'm going to get. So now, what I need to do, I can just say 5 into, when I integrate e to the power 3x, I'm going to get 1 over 3 e to the power 3x, right, plus c. So about that, then this will give me 5 over 3 e to the power 3x plus c. That is my solution, right? Next question is f, and then what we have to integrate this, it's 2 over 3 e to the power minus 4t. It's plus, not minus. 4t dt. They need me to integrate this, but I know each and every time when I have something like this, what do I need to do? I need to make sure all my, actually the denominator does not have any variable. So in this case, my variable is e, right? My variable is e. So I'm just going to say, I'll change it to have 2 over, okay, let's say 2 e to the power minus 4t over 3 dt. Right? When I integrate this, what am I going to get? I'm going to get 2 over 3 into 1 over 4. When I integrate e to the power minus that, I'm going to get, okay, let me just write it here. When I integrate this, okay, this is just like this. When I integrate e to the power minus 4, I'm going to get minus 1 over 4. E to the power minus 4t plus c. Then my solution will be, this will be, it's going to be 1 over 6. 1 over 6, which is negative 1 over 6 e to the power minus 4t plus c. That is my solution, right? That is my solution. So now let's attack the last 2 questions and then we are done for the day. Just erase here. I hope you understand how we do these things. I hope you understand. I'm erasing this because I have a very small pot. So, okay, now let's attack G. G, we have the integral of 3 over 5x dx. They need me to integrate this. I know that this, I have to rewrite it so that I don't have a variable on my denominator. So it's going to be 3x to the power minus 1 over 5 dx. Can I use this formula? No. This formula clearly states we cannot use this formula when n is negative 1. So if n is negative 1, we cannot use this formula, but we can use the formula of ln, this one. So my solution will be ln, or 3 over 5 ln of x plus c. That is my solution. Ln, or 3 over 5 ln of x plus c. Right? So let's take the last question, which is h. Is the integral of 2m squared plus 1 over m, then dt, or dm actually, not dt. So they need us to integrate that. How am I going to integrate that? Remember this, it represents a lowest common multiple. So I can just split this and have the integral of 2m squared over m plus 1 over m. right? And then m into m will give me 1, so will give me m, so I'll have the integral of 2m plus, when I take this to the upper side, I'm going to have m minus 1. So in this case, I have two types of methods. This, it is method 1, which is this one, right? And this, it is the last method, which is this one. So in this case, I'm going to have, when I rewrite this, I'm going to have 2m1 plus 1. Okay, let me just do this. Sorry about that. 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, right? Plus ln of x plus c. Then my solution will be, I'll have 2 here. I'm going to get my solution as m squared. Okay, let me just erase this top part and rewrite it there. When I write my solution, I'm going to get, this will give me 2m squared over 2 plus ln of x plus c. And then this and this will be m squared plus ln of x plus c. That is my solution. This is my solution for that question. I hope you understand, and I hope you enjoy our classes. I'm going to upload more and more integration questions and integration explanations. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Remember, most of all, be kind and share this content with your friends. Be kind enough to share this content with your friends. Remember again, we are fighting with the course, not with amongst each other. The main goal is to pass your modules very well, but we are not here to compete with each other. Yes, competition will be there, but we are not here to compete with each other. We are here to help each other pass the course, right? Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Tango!